Homestead Handyman. Going to share some things doing around the shop and out in the yard. Just picked up this '89 Ford Econoline van here. Pretty nice tight body. The inside is a little rough. It hasn't been running, and so I'm going to check it out and see what's going on. As you can see, the paint, it's probably good underneath. There's no dents, but it definitely needs a bath. There's a look at the inside. Just some junk all hanging around. Look at that Park Avenue. Only the best. Come around here. Has a ladder rack on there. Side doors here that swing open. And so this is one of my projects. I'm trying to get it running. We're sitting in the weeds that a guy had, and we'll see what happens. All right, let's move on to the other projects. So here's another project that we've been working on. Doing the front railings over again, and we got them all done. The front deck here had to be repainted, and that's all marine grade plywood. And then I went and painted the entire house. So it's been a busy summer. So got everything up and nice, and we won't have to worry about this for a while. You can see, looking good. Also painted the shop and the barn behind that. So everything's up and good as far as that goes. Also had to cut down several trees right here that some kind of beetle got into, a bunch of pine trees, and we're still in the process of cleaning this area up here, but moving along here. Clean this up where we used to have the turkeys, and now getting it all ready to just be a place to put lawnmowers to work on and that type of stuff underneath, and then have the little building right here all filled up with firewood ready to go. Also built an enclosure for my CNC machine, and so I've gotten to start on some projects on that. Got everything up and running nicely. Have all emergency switches and automatic vacuum system that comes on. I'll be doing a video about this whole build, but just wanted to show you some updates, what we're working on around the homestead. This is a little project that I did on the CNC. The pineapple tray in the middle is, this is made out of old growth pine, as to the apple on the left there. And then the other ones are made out of cedar. So these are just little serving trays. Use some epoxy in there to give the leaves and some pop a little color in there. Also, then another project that I'm working on, you can see the lumber over there stacked up. That's been in here, get it conditioned, and I'm going to build an old farm table out of it. It's a 150-year-old old growth pine that I came across, and so I'm going to build another table out of that. As you can see, the shop is filled up with all sorts of stuff, all sorts of projects going on inside and outside. And it gets a little messy and a little tight in here, but it's nice having air conditioning, and then when I need it, I'll have my heater over there, and so it's a great place to work and come in as a respite from the heat when I'm working outside. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you all an update of what's going on at the homestead, and that I haven't been just sitting around slacking, watching TV, eating bonbons. Alright, well, I'll have some more in-depth videos coming up that will show more of these projects in depth as we get moving along here. Alright, this is the Homestead Handyman. If you like my videos, please give me the old thumbs up and subscribe and hit that old notification button. Alright, Homestead Handyman out.